Huwag mag-jumper kasi nga nakakakos ng hindi lang mas mataas na kuryente sa ibang tao, kung hindi yung sunog. So, but ang point is handa. So, ang question, why do you need to meet today? So, it's just like a basketball team na nag-training kayo ng 3 months. Kung ngayon yung laban, you still have to meet, you still have to coordinate, you still have to hear the coach say na, we can do this, we're ready. No? So, in behalf of the people of Taguig, I just want to thank everyone here. And of course, yung constituents natin. Kasi kahit anong galing ng leader, kung yung mga constituents, kung yung mga taong bayan hindi nagko-cooperate, wala rin mangyayari. And more than that, when yung mga tao demand something better. So maraming nagdadasal ngayon. Siyempre yung prayer natin, less calamities, no disaster. Sana hindi talaga tamaan tayo ng super El Nino, ng mga super typhoons. Kasi nga, meron ng creeping economic crisis na nangyayari, may problema. Marami din nagdadasal, sana hindi bumaha kasi ma-expose na parang binabaon yung flood control issue. Ang problema, kung ano yung iyong itatanim, yan din yung aanihin. So meaning, kung may massive urbanization,